one thing. Sorry.
That's okay.
It's hard to see me, but I just wanted to say that I was, to be honest, I was skeptical of UFA. I was skeptical of this, and I'm very much the opposite right now. I thought because I'm skeptical about everything. So that's one thing
Same,
keep in
same.
mind. And I said, what is this? And Mushi gave me some chances. I appreciate that he did. I thought the classes were very quality. And one of the big values is, we can all go online and find the information. But the value is the people who are coming together and sharing and talking. I learned more from that than streaming YouTube. So I just wanted to say that the questions and the social aspect and the talent is a big thing, was very clear to me. It took, my skepticism was gone. And I know I will sign up for the other classes now because of this experience. So just wanted to share that experience of mine.